Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of line in R3. So as per the problem, show that the points A and B lie on the line that passes through 0, 0, 3 and has the direction vector negative 3, 1, negative 6. So the first step is to find the equation of the line that passes through the given point 0, 0, 3 and has the direction vector negative 3, 1, negative 6. And we should find the parametric equations for this line because we can use the parametric form easily to prove that the points A and B lie on that line. So we'll find the vector form of the equation first and then we'll convert the vector form to parametric form. The general equation of a line in vector form is vector r represents position vector of an unknown point that lies on the line. Vector r0 represents position vector of a known point that lies on the line. T is a parameter and it can be any real number. Vector m represents the direction vector of the line. We are given that the line passes through the point 0, 0, 3, so we can use that for position vector r0. And we are given the direction vector of the line as negative 3, 1, negative 6. Now we can sub in these vectors in the general equation. So this is the vector equation of the line. Now we can write the parametric equations. So we'll use an unknown point x, y, z for the position vector r. Now we can break up this vector equation into x, y, and z equations. So for the x equation, we'll use the x component of these vectors. And we'll multiply the components of the direction vector negative 3, 1, negative 6 by t. So the x equation is, and we can ignore the 0. So we can rewrite the equation as x equals minus 3t. Now we can write the y equation using the y components. I get y equals t. Now we can write the z equation. So these are the parametric equations for this line. So we can write them together. Now we have to show that points A and B lie on this line. So let's start with point A. We should sub in x as 6, y as negative 2, and z as 15 in the parametric equations and see if we get the same value of t. So from the x equation, I get t equals negative 2. Now we can use the y equation. So I get t equals -2 by subbing in y as -2. Now we can use the z equation. So I'll sub in z as 15. So I get t equals -2 from the z equation. So that proves that point A lies on this line because we get the same value of t from the x, y, and z equation. Now we can do the same analysis for point B. So let's start with the x equation. We should sub in x as -15. I get t equals 5. Next we can sub in y as 5. So I get t equals 5. Now we can sub in z as -27. I get t equals 5. That proves that point B lies on the line because we get the same t value from the x, y, and z equations. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.